we're fixing a damaged battery flex cable. First, we check for broken lines near the battery connector. After cleaning the area, we identify the damaged track using a multimeter. Now, we scratch the board slightly and solder a thin jumper wire from the battery connector to the exposed copper line. Once the connection is secure, we apply UV mask to protect the jumper and cure it with UV light. Finally, we test the phone. If it powers on and charges, the repair is successful. Like and subscribe for more tech repair videos.